7 Steps to Building an Affiliate Marketing Empire from Scratch. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to share with you the ultimate guide to building an affiliate marketing empire from scratch. If you're ready to unleash your entrepreneurial spirit and create a thriving online business, then you're in the right place. Get ready to discover the 7 powerful steps that will set you on the path to success in the world of affiliate marketing. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The first step in building your affiliate marketing empire is finding a profitable niche. This is the foundation of your business and determines your target audience. We'll walk you through the process of researching and selecting a niche that aligns with your passion and has the potential for high demand and profitability. Once you have your niche, it's time to research and choose the right affiliate programs. We'll guide you through the process of finding reputable affiliate programs that offer products or services that resonate with your audience. You'll learn how to evaluate commission rates, product quality, and affiliate support to ensure you make the best choices. Now that you have your niche and affiliate programs in place, it's time to build your online presence. We'll share tips and strategies for creating a professional website or blog, optimizing it for search engines, and establishing a strong brand identity. Your online presence is your digital storefront, and we'll show you how to make it shine. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. In this step, we'll dive deep into creating compelling content that engages your audience and drives conversions. You'll learn the art of storytelling, writing persuasive product reviews, and crafting informative and valuable content that positions you as an authority in your niche. Once you have your content ready, it's time to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. We'll explore various strategies for driving traffic, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. You'll discover how to attract the right audience and maximize your chances of conversion. Building trust and relationships with your audience is crucial for long-term success. We'll show you how to nurture and build relationships through email marketing, social media engagement, and providing value-added content. You'll learn how to connect with your audience on a deeper level and establish yourself as a trusted resource. In the final step, we'll teach you how to analyze and optimize your performance. You'll learn how to track your affiliate links, monitor your conversion rates, and make data-driven decisions to improve your results. By constantly refining your strategies, you can scale your affiliate marketing empire and achieve even greater success. Congratulations! By applying these proven strategies and techniques, you have the power to create a thriving online business and generate passive income. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, consistency, and continuous learning. So, go out there, put these steps into action, and make your dreams a reality. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss an update from our channel. Also, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Until next time, keep building your affiliate marketing empire, and we wish you all the success in the world. Take care.